Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Lenovo Yoga 7A2 in 116 Gen 11. For more on its reliability, display quality, battery life, and full benchmarks, check the detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. To reach the internals, we remove 7 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We're using a Torx T5 screwdriver. The first 4 screws are 3 mm long. The next 3 screws are 7.5 mm long. Here's what the screws look like. With a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips. Be careful not to slide the tool inward and damage a component. One tab remains in the middle, so we'll use a suction cup. Even if that tab breaks, it usually is not a serious problem. Here is the battery connector. The pack is secured by 3 screws. There's a single SSD slot here. This is the Wi-Fi 7 card with its antenna leads attached. This is where the processor is located. Cooling relies on one fan and a multi-pipe heatsink. First, we disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Now we remove its 3 retaining screws. This is a 70 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we'll remove the SSD. Our unit uses a 1TB Kioxia drive. This laptop has one short M2 slot, the 2242 size, running over PCI Express 4x4, and Lenovo lists support for up to 2 TB. While we put the SSD back, a quick note on memory. This configuration has 32 GB of low-power DDR5X memory at 8000 megatransfers per second. It is soldered, runs in dual-channel mode, and cannot be upgraded. That was a look inside the Lenovo Yoga 7A2 in 116 Gen 11. On laptopmedia.com, you can also check our display analysis, battery tests, and build quality observations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.